Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So basically today I'm come with a question from you guys. Have you ever afraid of something, or you have been unable to achieve something in your past, or something that you want to achieve a long time ago, but just because of a fear or a sense of uh, not never been to do, you just ignore that, or just hands down, or like you even not try once, you never ever have a guts to start that thing. You are just in that case you are just starting doubting on yourself, just finding faults in yourself, and just blaming ourselves like I'm not that much good, I'm not that much good enough to do that things. You know what guys, it become us more and more weaker. You know what, the only thing which we need is just start, just sitting behind or just thinking about the things, or just dreaming about. This is not the way to achieve anything. If you really want to do something, or if you really want to achieve something, you need to stand up and at least start once. I read somewhere the only secret is getting ahead, is getting started. And the secret of getting started is at least you can start. You can just do one thing, your big goal, or you can say that overwhelming goal, break down in a simple or small task. You can say that you can just divide on a daily basis, monthly basis, weekly basis, or you can say year basis. That would be more easier for you to achieve that. In that case you are more focused, and it look like very easy for you. And you know what, when you perform a small task, you have the result instantly. That can help you to improve your confidence level, and as well as you have a see a factor of satisfaction as well. Even you are more confident and more energetic, more concentrated. And you know what, with the time you feel a different happiness as well, which achieve achieved by a single thing. uh, at least you start. You know what guys, sometimes without any reason we are just wasting our time, or just uh, think, or like overthinking about anything, and just waste our time. But the only need is just start. Trust me, when you split your big goal in a simple or small task, it become easier for you guys. And you know what, with this particular secret you become more successful as easily, as fastly, as quickly. And you know what, try once.